Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make one-page summary notes. Crafting concise summaries offers numerous benefits for learning and retention. It helps you distill complex topics into their essential components, making information much easier to absorb. This method significantly boosts your recall for tests or presentations, saving you valuable study. Before diving in, establish a clear focus. Pinpoint your main subject and 3 to 5 crucial subtopics to guide your content. Opt for a larger paper size, such as a 3 or 11 by 17 inches, to give yourself ample space. Ensure all your resources are at hand and set aside a focused 30 to 60-minute period for this task. Now, let's focus on the intricate details that truly bring a scene to life. Incorporating diverse textures, like rough stone or smooth water, adds tactile appeal. Don't shy away from adding small, intricate elements. They significantly boost realism. Remember to layer your scene with distinct foreground, midground, and background elements to create a rich, immersive experience. When populating your notes, prioritize keywords, definitions, and any critical formulas or dates. Keep your writing concise, using short phrases or bullet points rather than full sentences to maintain clarity and save space. Crucially, review your summary within 24 hours to solidify the information. Finally, practice explaining the content aloud using only your one-page summary to test your understanding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.